Hi everyone, in this video we will control a Neopixel LED strip using a Raspberry Pi Pico without a breadboard, just like in Wokwi. We will also see how to print useful information to the serial monitor. Let's jump into the setup and the code. On the hardware side, we need the Raspberry Pi Pico board. Then we also need the Neopixel. You can imagine a Neopixel strip connected directly to the Pico with only three wires. One is data, VCC, and third one is the ground. In Wokwi, it's done virtually, super clean and simple. In the code, we import time to control delays and Neopixel to control the RGB LEDs. We create a Neopixel object named pixels with 17 represent the number of LEDs in the Neopixel. 0 is the state machine index. 6 represent GPIO pin where the data line of the Neopixel is connected. GRB, the color order. Many Neopixel uses GRB instead of RGB. Here we have a list of RGB colors using hex values, which gives a variety to cycle through. We start with the first pixel and the first color. In this loop, we fetch the current color, light up the current pixel. .show function sends the update to the LEDs. This line prints info to the serial monitor so you can read exactly what's happening. Great for debugging or explaining what's going on live. We go to the next LED. Once all 17 are done, reset to LED 0 and move to the next color. Delay of 100 milliseconds between updates keeps it smooth and visible. Now let's run this project. What's happening visually is each LED lights up one by one. After all LEDs are updated, the color changes. The serial monitor shows which LED is active and what color it gets. So that's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video.